Hey, what's up, everybody? Wanted to check in with you guys, a little bit behind the scenes. I just received all my boxes that I ordered. They're finally here. I needed to re-up on boxes. It was a long day today. The boxes are in, just sorting them out. I got to get them all organized. They're all over the place right now. So I also got new product in, which I have in these boxes here too. We got some kits. And then we also have some Tamiya products as well that just arrived. Later we'll get into it on a future video as well. Here we have the files right there. So, and there's also a lot of like rattle cans in here too. So still sorting things out. And last night I was over here, you know, sorting through all my paint. I'll check out, I got this calendar right here. There's another one I got. Let's check out these cars. Looks super nice. So still sorting out some of my paint. Shout outs to my homie Javier too. He sent these out to me. I needed them for my bug that I'm working on right there. Thank you, Javier. And I also got a couple of neat things today in the mail, which I'll talk about later. But look at this. Look at this right here. 19, let's see if it focuses right here. Probably not gonna do it. Let me set it down over here better. 1954. Right there. Let's look at the back. The old coin. General Motors right there. Check that out. Motorama of 1954. Can I zoom in? Oh yeah, I could. There we go. A lot better. Sorry, guys. Let's see. Let's flip it around one more time. Let's zoom in on this. This is pretty cool. Pretty cool coin. Right there says Chevrolet, Pontiac, Oldsmobile, Buick, Cadillac. It's a neat coin. And I also got this little, I don't know, it's like a little pin or button thing. This is from the Builders Guild from back in the day. Let's see. It's so tiny compared to the coin. I'm doing research on this right now, so later I'll be able to present it to you guys. I know a lot of you guys probably already know about this. A lot of it has to do before model cars, before certain employees that got into the GM. So really interesting stories. So I'll get into that, but I ended up getting those two things right there. Part of the collection now. And, you know, we have all this stuff right here. And then my friend Javier also sent me this too. This is really nice. This is in memory of Danny D. Oh, sorry. Let me set this down right here. Check this out. Here we have it. Daniel Galvez, Danny D. Rest in peace. Yeah, he sent me that as well. So yeah, I'm just kind of sorting things out right now. Got home not too long ago. You know how to bring in all this stuff right here. And later, I'm going to end up sorting out the products that came in too. And just get everything all tidied up and organized. So I just wanted to do this quick video. I didn't get a chance to really record anything last night as far as like a video for YouTube. But I know I had all this stuff coming in. And it was supposed to actually come tomorrow. But they ended up showing up earlier today. And now it's here, so I have to just organize. And then tomorrow I'm expecting some other items as well in the mail, along with the tape. I know I told you guys about the tape that I'm going to be getting in, all the new stuff, and also the new sticker as well. So that's all going to be coming in. But just wanted to check in with you guys. I hope you guys had a good day today, and I'll talk to you guys soon. All right, peace out. Later.